Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao. It is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world by trading volume. Binance offers a variety of features, including spot trading, margin trading, futures trading, staking, and lending. It also has its own cryptocurrency, BNB, which can be used to pay for fees on the exchange. Binance is a popular choice for cryptocurrency traders because it offers a wide variety of features and has a high trading volume. However, it is important to note that cryptocurrency trading is a risky investment and you should only invest money that you can afford to lose. Here are some of the features of Binance. 1. Spot trading. This is the most basic type of trading, where you buy and sell cryptocurrencies at the current market price. 2. Margin trading. This allows you to borrow money from Binance to trade with, which can amplify your profits but also your losses. 3. Futures trading. This allows you to trade cryptocurrencies on a future date, at a price that you agree on today. 4. Staking. This allows you to earn interest on your cryptocurrencies by depositing them into a staking pool. 5. Lending. This allows you to lend your cryptocurrencies to other users and earn interest on the loan. 6. BNB. This is Binance's own cryptocurrency, which can be used to pay for fees on the exchange and also used to participate in certain activities, such as Binance Launchpad. Binance is a safe exchange, but it is important to take precautions to protect your account. Here are some tips. 1. Use a strong password and two-factor authentication. 2. Only trade on official Binance websites and apps. 3. Be careful about clicking on links in emails or messages. 4. Never share your private keys with anyone. If you are considering using Binance, I recommend that you do your own research and understand the risks involved in cryptocurrency trading.